Hey Collective, I'm happy you could join me. I thank you for your likes, your shares, your subscribes. We're just gonna tap into your energy and find out what's going on for your highest good. Remember, only take what resonates. This is a timeless reading, so whenever it finds you, trust that the messages are meant for you, but practice discernment. This is an intuitive exercise, so you can't take everything because it's a general collective reading. Ooh, this wanted to pop out. Knight of Wands. Somebody's coming forward in a fit of passion, or this is you. This is quick moving energy. And I don't know if you can hear it in the background. We've got Whitney Houston. I want to dance with somebody. Somebody who loves me. I love that song. I love Miss Whitney Houston. She often comes through a lot to me. And I'm reminded of Super Bowl 25, 1991, and the best, hands down, no argument, the best rendition of the Star Spangled Banner was performed by Whitney Houston. We got Seven of Wands, Leo energy, so more fire energy. That's in the challenge position. So a Leo could be coming towards you. Also, for you collective, if this isn't another person, this is you being very spiritually protected, very sound with your fire energy. It's on top, it's almost slowing down any sort of Knight of Wands energy, which is absolutely the quickest moving knight in the tarot. All right, so I'm hearing your ancestors are slowing you down. You are passionate right now with Miss Houston. All right. Wow, can't make this up. More Leo energy, major arcana here with card number 8. So we go from Seven of Wands energy into major arcana 8. This is paternal, masculine, fixed fire energy. Often it's about the ego. So you've set out with some new passion with the Knight of Wands, being spiritually protected. 7 is a number of heaven, I always say. Into major arcana 8, Leo, strength card. Pluto on the bottom of the deck. Pluto is about transformation of relationships. It's the Judgment card, which is the universe judging people right now. Ooh, and the devil. Well, this is along with Pluto. This is Saturn who delivers karma. This isn't necessarily a bad card. Let's see what else comes out, Spirit, before I say more about this strength into the Devil card, Major Arcana. For your karmics collective, it means that they're all up in their ego. They've taken a too quick movement towards you or against you, and you are spiritually protected with the Seven of Wands, which has put them all up in their ego in a bad way because they are obsessed. And because the cards are both you collective and your karmics, what this has done for you is put you into a very nurturing, very loving, beautiful, egoic strength that you have inside you. And karma is on your side. The Devil card is also like what's the Devil said to be? The Lord of the gates of matter. So in this new year, Karma's on your side, and you have the strength to do a lot of manifesting. And I'm hearing in this wolf moon, full moon, which is set to go tomorrow in the sign of Gemini. Right now the moon is absolutely gorgeous, and there's always a period of 3 days before and 3 days after the full moon, which totals 7 days of a cycle. 7 days of a cycle, 7 of wands. So we're definitely in the energy, and I don't know about you, but I've seen it. I work with and around people who are struggling, and just last night, someone who I think has some mental troubles was just receiving downloads. They may be schizophrenic, not dangerous, but they were definitely in conversation with energies and having a full-blown conversation, as they normally do, as I normally feel their energy and witness them in this state of communication with their spirit guides, their ancestors, their demons, their angels. But it was heightened. It was very, very strong in this one last night. So, too many? Yeah. Please like this and share, and I'd appreciate a follow or a subscribe. Got 10 of Cups, Piscean energy on the bottom of the deck, and the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Remember to practice discernment as you're receiving these messages. More Whitney Houston is playing in the background. Didn't we have it all? So the message, there's someone who is all up in their ego. There's lots of love there, lots of wands out here, a lot of fire energy, a lot of passion. And this could be somebody from your past. The Six of Cups is Scorpionic energy. This is you with all your unconditional love, and with this Knight of Wands is strength and the Devil coming towards you, because they know you are unconditionally loving and very, very strong. 6 is a number of strength. Of the higher self, it's also my memory card, so this could be a past love. And for your karmics who are all up in their feels and in this this egoic strength energy, Leo energy, and also in the Devil energy, it is Scorpionic. So they're feeling the unconditional love that you naturally emanate, but they now realize that it's in the past, that there's no going back to you. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, they were working on manifesting some sort of connection that I'm hearing is not going to happen, because you've set out and you're doing your own work, not paying attention to the Six of Pentacles above you. You have 2 down here. All right, let's see. Can I get one more card? And it pops out. Ooh, we got 6 of swords in the reverse. Your karmics are not wanting, whoever this person is, this energy is, this is Aquarius energy in reverse. Yeah, they were not following their north node. All up in the devil energy and this egoic strength, Leo energy. But this is also you. And them seeing you move on. The World card, Capricorn energy, Saturnian energy, more karma. This is you collective, balanced with all 4 fixed signs, Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus, and Leo. Can I get 3 cards of action for the collective, please? 3 cards of action for the collective. All right. And 3 cards. 5 of Pentacles, Taurus energy, Earth energy, fixed energy. Then we have 9 of Pentacles, Virgo energy, more Earth energy, very, very grounded. You move from the 5 of Pentacles, feeling left out, or you left this karmic energy behind, set out on your own, very strong and abundant in a healthy, grounded, egoic self. Yeah, you're displaced somewhat, but you've walked into, see this butterfly, see this wolf moon in Gemini, full moon tomorrow, and the raven on top of the wolf, hella psychic, this is Odin. You step into a very strong, abundant energy with the 9 of Pentacles, moving from the 5 to 9. And you have created peace of mind in the process, away from the karmic energy of this Knight of Wands who is pursuing you, all up in their ego with this obsessive devil energy. Scorpionic energy with the 6 of Cups. Being protected all the while with the 7 of Wands. You've just continued to work with your 8 of Pentacles here on changing and growing. Again, moving from 5 of Pentacles into 9 of Pentacles energy, you've created peace of mind. And what this has done for, and this has kind of frozen the minds and hearts and thoughts of your karmics, or this Knight of Wand energy, this devil energy. They're stuck. But you have created peace of mind. Very logical. This is Libra energy. 2 is a very powerful number of the self. Balance of the masculine and feminine. The right and left hemispheres of the brain. Bottom of the deck. 5 of Wands. More Leo energy, more Wand energy is about you. The message is clear. Karmics, past loves, past relationships, family, friends who are obsessed with you, they see and feel you moving away. And they're getting that communication here in this upcoming full wolf moon in Gemini. They'll learn if they go inward and they stop. If they write the 6 of Swords and move away from this devil energy, they will gain the clarity that they need to understand that this is not a partnership that is going to be healthy for you or them. They need to stop moving away from going inwards. They need to go inwards to their memory and their past relationships. or to understand why they are so obsessed with this devil energy, why they're so stuck up in their ego and in this Knight of Wands energy. Very, very, very passionate, but foolhardy. It's also very sexual in nature, and it's not bringing them abundance. They need to go in and look at and feel themselves rather than concentrate or compete with you. You might have some communication from them coming in after this moon. Yeah, communication coming in, Eight of Wands. So be prepared for that. Well, you are. You're sitting pretty in your Nine of Pentacles, having left them and that connection. With the Five of Pentacles, you've moved into Nine of Pentacles. All right, I think I'm going to end the reading here. Knight of Swords, Eight of Wands, Nine of Wands. You've done the work. You are the wounded healer. And because you've walked away with Eight of Pentacles from this Queen of Wands energy. All right, I hope this helps. And please like, share, subscribe. I appreciate your donations. You can find out more information in the description box. And I will see you in the next reading. Take care.